In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to switch to Monzo Basic or cancel a Monzo paid plan. By the end, you'll know exactly where to tap and what to look for so you can move away from a paid plan with confidence. Start by opening the Monzo app on your phone. From your profile or plan screen, look to the top left corner and tap the button labeled Upgrade. Even though it says Upgrade, this is the place Monzo uses to manage all plan options, including changing or leaving a paid plan. If you don't see it at first glance, make sure you're actually on your profile or plan screen and give the page a second to load. A quick app update and a solid internet connection can also help everything appear as it should. If you're currently on a paid plan like Plus, Premium Perks, or Max, tap your current plan to open the plan details. This screen is where Monzo lays out what you're getting with your plan, which can be a helpful reminder before you make a change. It's worth taking a moment to scan the benefits listed here so you know exactly what you'll keep or lose by moving to the free plan. Next, scroll down through the plan details until you find the option that says Get Monzo Basic or the option to cancel. The exact wording you see can vary depending on your plan, but both choices lead you away from the paid tier. Selecting Get Monzo Basic means you're returning to Monzo's free plan, removing the extras that come with your paid subscription. Choosing the cancel option does the same thing in cases where that's the wording you're shown. When you select your option, the app may display a summary of what changes next. Read that carefully. It often explains when the switch takes effect and what happens to any remaining plan features. This is your chance to make sure the timing and details work for you. If anything looks different from what you expect, pause and review the information on screen so there are no surprises. And that's all there is to it. Open Monzo and tap Upgrade from the top left of your profile or plan screen. Open your current plan if you're on Plus, Premium, Perks, or Max. Then scroll and choose Get Monzo Basic or the cancel option. Take a moment to read the on-screen notes and you'll be set. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you make the switch smoothly.